Okay, so this is just a draft, and it's the your Somali dude version, the dude version. You're Somali, the dude version. Okay, so you're Somali dude if you're like totally obsessed with bow talk and taking girls pictures. You're Somali if you steal pictures of girls from Facebook and put them on YouTube and insult them. You're Somali dude if you go to YouTube and you watch all the Somali girls videos and you just leave behind horrible comments like, oh, I want my dick on your mouth, oh, stuff like that make me vomit, honestly. Like sometimes I don't even know how people write stuff like that because seeing it just makes me nauseated. That's why I never like go to Somali person's channel while I'm eating, because I know those comments definitely will be there. So you're a Somali guy if you just love putting Somali women down. First of all, Somali girls are way better than the guys. Seriously, they are prettier, smarter. I'm not gonna say Somali women are the prettiest in the world. That's just crazy. Now don't get all crazy on me, okay? I'm here to help you get civilized, become stable. Let's work on that. We're still working on that, so I got a lot of work cut out for me. So it's okay. It's okay. We're working on that. We're a team. So you're a Somali guy if you're just, you're a Somali dude if you're like, you're a Somali dude if you're. And again, this doesn't apply to the good 1%, so don't jump on me. Don't get all crazy on me again. Adios, still working, work in progress. Somali violent. I learned from you guys, so violent. Well, again, doesn't apply to the 1%.